Want to convert a villager to a zombie without it dying in Minecraft? Here's how you can do it step by step. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Set up your environment. First, you'll need to trap the villager in a safe space where the zombie can't kill it immediately. Build a small enclosed area and place a bed for the villager to sleep in. Step 2. Spawn or find a zombie. Next, spawn or find a zombie. You can either use a spawner or lure a zombie to the villager's location at night. Step 3. Use a splash potion of weakness. To convert the villager without it dying, you need to use a splash potion of weakness on the villager. Throw the potion near the villager to weaken them and make them susceptible to the zombie infection. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Get the zombie to attack the villager. Now, let the zombie attack the villager while they're under the effect of the weakness potion. The villager will be infected but won't die because the weakness potion weakens them enough to survive the attack. Step 5. Wait for the villager to turn into a zombie villager. After a few minutes, the villager will turn into a zombie villager. Keep the villager safe from other mobs during this process. Step 6. Cure the zombie villager. Optional. If you want to cure the zombie villager, use a splash potion of weakness again and feed them a golden apple. The villager will eventually turn back into a normal villager. That's how you convert a villager to a zombie without it dying in Minecraft. Use a splash potion of weakness, let the zombie attack, and watch as the transformation happens. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.